Welcome to Creative Solutions. Today I'll be teaching you how to launch HTTPD on an AWS instance. To launch an HTTPD instance, we'll be doing it through user data. The script for the HTTPD goes as follows. Bin bash, we will do a basic update, and on HTTPD index.html folder, we'll just pass hello from EC2 instance. That's it. Now we'll copy the script here. We'll move to AWS instance here. As you can see, I'm using a root account here. You should always follow the best practice, which is to go through an IAM account. See, this is the launched HTTPD. You can see here. We are doing hello from EC2 instance. We'll be launching a similar instance here, but I'll teach you from basics. Okay, moving on. First, we'll select the instance here, instance type, which is Linux 2. That's it. We'll go for T2 micro, which is free tier. In user script, you can leave this open. Always take note that this is enabled for auto send public IP, so that you are able to access the application. We will basically paste the script for installing HTTPD here. This is the script. Hello from instance, we can pass some of them. Hello from instance, we'll just put an exclamation mark here. Unlike this one, which does not have an exclamation mark. Moving to storage, we'll keep the default storage of 8 GB. In security groups, I have one security group which is open for all, default. You can also create your own. Just to create your own, what you do is you select, like if I'm allowing this security group here to be inbound all and outbound all. So basically I'm doing all traffic from anywhere on any port will have anywhere, like the source can be from anywhere. This is basically my default security group. So I'll select that. I have a key already, so I'll just select the key. To create a new key, you can select this one and create the new key and download the key pair accordingly. I'll select my existing key pair. I'll acknowledge this and click on my acknowledgement and launch the instance here. So when the instance has been launched here, as you see, you can see the launch logs also. It's better, see in one of my further videos, I'll teach you how to launch Tomcat on EC2 instance, and I'll explain you what these points mean, like load balancer, what is auto scaling group, networks, EBS volumes, and there are various types of EC2 instances. I think I can explain you this one here only. See, instances spot requests are basically you, like when you have large amount of data, you can you will be paying a certain amount. Actually, you can reserve a spot instance here, and okay, I think it's lagging a bit. To request a spot instance, like you will be paying only charging, like actually these charges are less, but if someone pays more, your instances will be given over to that other person. That's more or less about spot instances. Dedicated host is basically where you do not share your hardware with any other customer or any other consumer of AWS. You have a dedicated host where your application runs without on the same hardware, and it is not shared with any other customer. Scheduled instances are like basically if you want to schedule instances on a weekends, weekdays, you can use this. Capacity reservation, same goes. You want certain instances so that you can provision them. More or less, savings plan goes for EC2 instances so that it turns off and shutdowns and starts up like when not in use or when you're in during a weekend option. So I think this was the instance. It is still initializing, but I think we can check this out. We'll click the IP here, and we can just go on a new tab and press it. Yeah, as you see, hello from EC2 instance with an exclamation mark here. You see, this is the only one which is running. This has nothing here. This is the instance which you have launched. See, this is a simple way you can do HTTPD, and you can do like there are various other things with HTTPD server. Now you can launch your applications here. Thank you. Please do like, share, subscribe, and I'll be further making other videos on AWS topics also. Thank you.